Hi everyone and welcome to Chef Mooney, coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Well, it's been a long time between drinks, my friends. Almost 3 months since I've uploaded a video and I'm back into it again. I'm apologizing to you now for not getting that content out there to you. I love my filming and I know that you love watching my shows. Let's get on with this recipe today. I'm going to make a beautiful lemon mayonnaise. Now you can buy all these kinds of dressings and things in the store, but you know what? I like to know what's in my mayonnaise and it's a lot of fun to make it as well. So stay tuned for the next couple of minutes while I show you how to make this delicious lemon mayonnaise. Okay, into our mixing bowl, you want to put your egg yolks in. There's 3 egg yolks. A teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of a Dijon mustard. And we want to get this on our mixer. Just start to whisk this together. Now to the back of my mixer here, I've got my lemon zest, my mint, and my infused lemon juice. We're going to add this to the mayonnaise once it starts to get a bit thick. Slowly add your oil. Just a little bit at a time. You can increase the speed if you want to. Now, as you can see, that is quite thick, but we still need to add our lemon juice to it. It's falling off the whisk. I've added about 3/4 of a cup of oil. Now, this is going to be a sort of an eyeball thing. You might need to add a little bit more to your recipe, and that's what I need to do here. So I'm thinking around about 1 full cup of olive oil to get it to the thickness that I want. So I'm adding another 1/4 of a cup and we'll continue mixing. Let's have a look. That's it. That's what we're looking for. That is beautiful and thick. So I want to add my lemon zest and my mint. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of my infused lemon juice with a tablespoon and a half there. And that smell of lemon is absolutely beautiful. This will keep in the fridge for about a week. And don't forget it is fresh egg yolks, so you need to be careful. We'll increase the speed just a little bit now, just to combine it all. I am going to add some pepper to this. I think it's got enough salt. Give it a final mix. That is beautiful. Look at that, gorgeous. There you go, that's my beautiful creamy mayonnaise. It is delicious on a lot of things. Let's get it into our jar. Now because it is fresh mayo, it will only keep for 7 days. So it's important that you label it. You can keep it up to 2 weeks at your own risk. My recommendation is 7 days. Look at that. Gorgeous. Now the other thing is, it's really important to leave this out for 2 hours before you refrigerate it. And the reason behind that is because the lemon juice and the vinegar will kill any of the bacteria in the egg. Alright, so leave it out for 2 hours before you refrigerate it. And then you must keep it in the refrigerator until you've used it. But really make a point of looking at this use by date. It only takes a few minutes to put the date on there. Used by the 10th of March. I know now that I've got 7 days to use this, and I can toss it out after the 10th of March. I'll toss it out. Thanks my friends for watching my videos. Give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Share it with your friends on your social media. And until next time, you take care and have yourselves a fantastic week. See ya.